How to use MEDLINKET TENS electrodes. Clean your skin. Clean and dry the area. No hair and no wounds. Make sure it's free from oils or lotions to allow the electrode to stick better. Connect the electrodes. Connect one lead wire to a pair of electrodes and the device port. Peel off the electrodes. Peel off the electrode's protective film from one corner. Be careful not to pull the wire. Attach the electrodes. Position the electrodes around the targeted area. Firmly apply the electrodes to the skin for good contact. Power on the unit. Adjust mode, intensity, and time, typically 20 to 30 minutes per area. Remove the electrodes. Power off the device and gently remove the electrodes from the skin's corner. Avoid wire pulling. Clean the electrodes. Use your fingertips to gently wash under drops of cold water. Air dry the electrodes. Do not wipe with paper or cloth. Air dry the electrodes naturally with the gel side facing up. Storage the electrodes. Do not bend electrodes. Store in a cool, dry place.